Say Christopher. Say Christopher. Where are you? Okay, say hi, Uncle Michael. Say hi, Uncle Michael. Do you say Michael? You got it. Say Michael. Say Michael. Say Christopher. Say Christopher. Say Christopher. Ash. Can you say Christopher? Good job. Say Christopher. You got it? Say I miss you, Christopher. Say I miss you, Christopher. You got it? You are crazy. Good job. Say good job. Good job. Okay, say bye, Uncle Michael. Say bye, Christopher. All right, I'll talk to you later. Say bye-bye. You get it? Okay, say bye, Michael. I got it. Good job. Good job. Bring it to me. All right, I'll talk to you later. Say bye, Michael.
Bye, Michael.
Say bye, Christopher.
Bye-bye.
Christopher. Christopher. Say Christopher. Ashlyn. Say Christopher. Try one more time. Say Christopher. Say Fufa. Can you say Christopher? Can you say Moo Moo? Say Moo Moo. Papa? You're being wild.